Good morning, all of you. So, in previous class, I explained you up to fifth passage, children. So, today I shall continue sixth passage onwards. Children, in last class, I explained you which type of conditions they faced. I mean, before the Jekyll joined them, how they led their life, and after the Jekyll joined them, which type of problems they faced. I explained. So, whatever it may be, I ended with the line that is the moon was sad, because all animals they were in sad mode, sad. Okay, every animal and birds they are living individually. They are not at all happy. So our moon was also sad. Up to then I explained in previous class, children. So sixth passage onwards today I shall continue in this class. So listen carefully, children. I have already told you morning they are HMs are morning he is sending videos, evening he is conducting exam. So in exam, after submitting the exam, you are getting marks immediately. So your marks is in your hand, children. So listen carefully. So sixth passage onwards. The moon thought for a while and decided to come down among the animals and the birds as a sadhu. Yes, children. So moon, he was watching from the sky. So everyone is sad. No one is happy. So the moon decided to come down among the animals and birds. Among the animals and birds. In the form of sadhu. Yes, children. In the form of sadhu. In this picture, sadhu. Yes, children. So moon, he is ready to come down in the form of sadhu to solve the problems of the animals and the birds. Next, as soon as the sadhu appeared in the forest, the animals and birds approached him to narrate their tales of woe. Yes, children. So as soon as, that means as soon as the sadhu came down, who is sadhu? Sadhu is nothing but moon. So as soon as the sadhu come down, immediately all the birds and animals approached. Approached means reached. So all the birds and animals reached the moon to narrate. Narrate means explain. So their tales means stories of woe. Woe means sad. Sad. So children, that is children. So all the animals and birds they came and approached. That means reached the moon to explain their tales of woe. That means their sadness, their sorrow. So all together, all approached the moon to explain their sorrow. Next, they cried, they sobbed, and they blamed each other for disturbing the peace of the forest. And the sadhu listened to them. Yes, children. They sobbed, they cried. Sobbed means cried bitterly. Yes, children. So they cried, they sobbed, and what is that? They blamed each other. Yes, because of you only all this has happened. Like that, each animal they are blaming each other. They are blaming one another. So like that, children, whatever it may be, they explained, they narrated their tales of sorrow to the moon. Yes, children. So all their sorrow, okay, all their explanations listened by the sadhu. Yes, children. Next passage. The sadhu brought together the lions and the rabbits for a common meal. Yes, children. So the lion sadhu, sadhu brought together lions and the rabbits to the common meal, to the meal. Yes, children. So sadhu brought together. They called lions, they called rabbits. Here don't miss one thing, forget, children. That is, a lion is bigger one, rabbit is smaller one. So sadhu called them for a common meal, bigger ones, little ones. For what? To avoid the fear among the smaller ones and to develop the friendship between lions and the rabbits. Yes, children, that is the intention of the moon. Next, he visited the python and the viper and had a long chat with them. Yes, children. Python and Viper, he invited, he called. Okay, so whom? Python, Viper, both he called them and he chat with them for a long time. Chat means talk. CHAT, chat means talk. Yes, children. So he talked with them for a long time. Next, he advised the eagle not to attack the little chicks that had lost their mother. Yes, children. Now Moon advised the eagle not to kill the chicks. Chicks is nothing but smaller ones. Don't kill chicks, smaller ones, because they lost their mother lost their children. So it is not good. In such a way, the moon advised, Sadhu advised eagle. Next, the Sadhu accompanied the tiger and the wild bear to the nearest market. As children. So accompanied, here accompanied means go along with. As children. So here Sadhu went along with the tiger and the wild bear to the nearest market. For what? What is that? To develop friendship between these two animals. In those two animals, tiger and wild bear. Yes, children. So next, children, he played with the bulbul, the owl and the monkeys. Yes, children. Children, here mentioned a few names: bulbul, monkeys, owls. Before them, he used the, children. So the bulbul, the owl and the monkeys. Yes, children, he played with all these. So whatever it may be, children, this pair tells us Moon met all the animals and he tried to develop friendship between all those, and he want to create a different atmosphere. He want to bring the atmosphere how they spent previously, such an atmosphere he want to bring. That is the view of this passage, children. As children. So that is the passage. Next passage, children. But the jackal was very angry with the sadhu what he was doing. So he did not want the animals to live in peace and harmony. So he was waiting for the opportunity to attack the sadhu. Yes, children. So the jackal was very angry with what sadhu was doing. Yes, children. What sadhu was doing? Sadhu, he was doing what is that? He came down, he met all the animals and birds, and he brought together all the animals and birds, and he is creating different atmosphere to live all the animals in peace and harmony again. So he wants to develop friendship between all the animals. He wants to avoid fear among all the animals and birds. Next, children, whatever it may be, again they want to make them become strong. That is the intention of the moon. As children. But jackal, he was very angry with the sadhu. In the above line, he refers to jackal. As children. So the jackal was very angry with the sadhu, because sadhu wants to bring the sadhu was bringing all the animals together. Yes, children. So such activity was not liked by jackal. Yes, children. Next, same para, once again I am explaining you. He did not want the animals to live in peace and harmony. Yes, children. He did not want to live in peace and harmony. He did not want to live all the animals and birds in peace and harmony. In the above line, he refers to jackal. Yes, children, jackal don't want to live all the animals and birds in peace and harmony. Next. So he was waiting for the chance he was waiting for an opportunity to kill the sadhu. Yes, children. So now jackal was planning to kill sadhu. He was waiting for an opportunity. Opportunity means chance. So he was waiting for the opportunity. He was waiting for an opportunity. Opportunity, that is the word started with a vowel. That's why before that he used an. So Jakil was waiting for an opportunity to kill Sadhu. Yes, children. Next. Next passage, children. One day, the animals, insects, and birds held an emergency meeting, and they unanimously decided to approach the sadhu and pleaded with him to kill the jackal. Yes, children. One day, all the animals, birds, insects, all they planned to meet sadhu, and they pleaded. Okay, they planned and they met sadhu. And they pleaded, all the animals, birds, insects, all they pleaded sadhu to kill the jackal. To kill the jackal. The sadhu said, I will not kill the jackal, but will help you in different way. Yes, children. Then the sadhu replied that, I don't kill the jackal, but I shall help you in different way. Yes, children. It means the sadhu, he won't kill the jackal directly, but the jackal will be killed. How it will be killed and how it died, let us see. Next passage. When the sun went to sleep, the jackal came to the houses of the hens to take a few of them for his supper. Yes, children. After the sun went to sleep, that means when the sun went, that means it is night. Yes, children. When it is turned to dark, that means at the time of 6 to 7, 8 like that. Then the jackal came to the houses of the chicks, hens, H-E-N-S, hens, to attack them. Yes, children, at that time, the sadhu who had been lodging nearby came out of the house and spoke to the jackal. Take me today for your meal. Yes, children. So the jackal came to eat the small chicks, hens. Yes, children. Then at that time the sadhu also was living nearby the houses. Then the sadhu came out and said the jackal, to take me today, to take me, that means to eat me today for your meal. For your meal. Don't kill the hens. Today you kill me as a meal. So he said like that. Who said to whom? The moon said to the jackal. Next passage. The jackal, who had been waiting for this opportunity, dragged the sadhu and ran into the jungle. He took the sadhu to a lonely place, took him into pieces and ate him up. Yes, children. So when sadhu said like that, today, what he said? Today, eat me up, eat me up. So he said directly. Then the jackal, who had been waiting for this opportunity, that means it means already jackal planned to kill the sadhu. Now sadhu, he directly said that kill me. Then immediately the jackal took him and dragged him. That means took to the forest, to the lonely place. That means there is a peaceful place where no one lives. So and tore him up and eat him up. Who eat whom? Jackal eat sadhu. Jackal ate up sadhu. Yes, children. He dragged him, tore into pieces and ate. Next. Yes, children. The animals were very sad, angry and disappointed. with what had happened to the sadhu. Yes, children. So all the animals, birds, insects, they were angry, sad, disappointed with what happened, with what had happened to the sadhu. Yes, children. Sadhu was killed by the jackal. That's why all the animals were sad, hungry, and disappointed. Next, they were afraid that the hungry jackal would appear again the next day. Yes, children, all the animals feel afraid, children, feels fear. Why? Today the cunning jackal killed the sadhu. Tomorrow, the next day, it will appear. It will come and it will eat someone else. So in such a way they feel afraid. Who feel afraid? All the animals, birds and insects. Next. Then they heard a strange noise. Yes, and then they heard a strange noise. While they were thinking like that, automatically, suddenly they heard a strange means unfamiliar, unknown. So suddenly a strange voice they heard. In this above line, they refers to animals, birds, insects. All of them ran in that direction. Yes, children, from which side they heard the sound, that side all these animals ran away. Next, what they saw surprised them. Yes, children, what they saw, they surprised them. Yes, children, they something saw. The scene surprised them. Next, they saw the stomach of the jackal growing bigger and bigger. It continued to bloat until it burst. Then they heard a soft voice, "May my animals, birds and insects live in peace and harmony." Yes, children. Yes, children, what all the birds and animals, all they what the saw? Yes, children, they ran in the direction from which they heard the strange noise. Yes, children, that side they went and they observed, they watched, they saw, children, one thing, that is when they looked at the jackal, the stomach of the jackal, it's becoming bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Suddenly it burst. Yes, children, from the sky. Then the cunning jackal died. Was the sadhu killed jackal? No. But he promised that he don't kill, but he will help to the animals and birds and insects in a different way. Na? So this is the way, children. So whatever it may be, okay, they saw the jackal's stomach became bigger and bigger and bigger. Finally it burst. What burst? The stomach of the jackal burst, children. So the jackal was dead. The jackal has died. As children. So the jackal had died, whatever it may be. Now, no cunning animal is there in the forest. Then suddenly they heard a soft voice from the sky. What are the words they heard from the sky? Now onwards you may live in peace and harmony. These are the words they heard from the sky, as children. Live in peace and harmony. Next, may there be no fences. May there be no fences around you. May you sing and dance once again. Remember me, and be not afraid. Remember me. That means keep in mind. Okay, whatever it may be. Now onwards, no need fences around your houses. No need feel fear among you. So no need to feel afraid. So nothing is there. Now you can live peace and harmony like before. So these are the words they heard from the sky. Yes, children. Next, when they looked up at the sky, they saw the moon shining brilliantly, spreading milky brightness over the earth. Yes, children. So at first they don't understand these words where they came from. As children, who is telling where it comes from. At first they did not understand. In the above line, they refers to animals, birds, insects, all this. So children, suddenly they looked up at the sky, children. Then they, what is that? It is visible. What was visible? Moon was visible, children. Then they understood that yes, these are the words from the moon. Then they finally realized like that. Next. So whatever it may be, how was the moon? It was brilliantly milky shine and with full of bright. It is shining towards the earth. Next, the animals once again started to roam. The animals once again started to roam, sing, dance, and sleep in peace. As children. Once again, how previously they enjoyed? They danced, they sang, they enjoyed, they slept together, they moved together, they ate together. Everything they did, they did together, children. So the situation, how they spent previously, now again they are leading their lives in such a way. They broke down the fences which they had built. As children, they built around their house. They built fences around their houses. Now they, what is that? They broke down. They collapsed the fences. Now no more fences, children. Next, they invited the moon and the stars for their cultural evenings. Yes, children. So how previously they used to invite moon and the stars as their guest to their cultural evenings. Again now they are inviting the moon and the stars to their musical evenings and cultural parties. Okay. So whatever it may be, how they previously led their life, now they were leading the same life, children. So now all the birds, animals and insects all are happy in the forest. So whatever it may be, they got the atmosphere in which in the past how they spent as children. So everything was happy, children. This was the lesson. Once again I am telling you, children, if you don't understand, watch one more. Still, if you don't understand, no loss. Third time also you watch, but try to understand well. What is that? Attempt exam well and get good marks. This is the class for today, children. Thank you, one.